Gates open, that up and racing. Join account 1 Bahamas running by the rail. Running in third, St. Mark moving a party outside. Hammer it home. Angelic Boys comes next, then followed by Banay Banay Star Turk. Second last has it coming and trailing the group is Twining Honor. Now we have joint account in command. Running in second by the release 1 Bahamas as they turn to the last 450. It's still joint account leading the field. 1 Bahamas is now running by the rail. Second and Dottie outside. Moving up is Angelic Boys. Banay Banay with the last 150 more to run. This one joint account by about 6 lengths now. 1 Bahamas is in second. Moving up party outside. Angelic Boys. And finally, it's joint account. Second, Angelic Boys close with 8A. Hammer it home. Then comes Banay Banay. Number 1, 1 Bahamas. St. Mark's